The Mercedes E-Class and BMW 5 Series have been fighting for the same buyer for decades. But for 2027, the fight is strange. The BMW is cheaper, the Mercedes looks more expensive, and the 6-cylinder versions both make exactly 375 horsepower and both hit 60 miles per hour in 4.4 seconds. So which one actually deserves your money?
This is not just a spec sheet battle. We are comparing the 2027 Mercedes-Benz E-Class and BMW 5 Series as real luxury sedans. Design, engines, speed, ride quality, handling, interior, technology, space, fuel economy, driver assistance, and price. Where the numbers look similar, the important question is why each brand made different choices and how those choices affect you.
Exterior design and size.
The Mercedes E-Class goes for elegance first. It is 194.9 inches long, 74 inches wide without the mirrors, and has a 116.6-inch wheelbase. The design mixes classic Mercedes proportions with newer details like the star-patterned grille, optional illuminated grille surround, and star-shaped taillights. The BMW 5 Series is clearly the bigger-looking car. It stretches to 199.2 inches long, with a 117.9-inch wheelbase and 74.8-inch width. That makes it more than 4 inches longer than the Mercedes.
That larger size also makes sense when you look at the whole 5 Series family, because BMW sells the same generation as gasoline, plug-in hybrid, and fully electric models. The practical result is a taller, more substantial-looking sedan. That gives the BMW more road presence, but the Mercedes looks lower, cleaner, and more traditional. If you want elegance, the E-Class wins. If you want a larger and more modern shape, the 5 Series has more visual impact.
Base engines and performance.
The E350 uses a 2.0-liter turbo 4-cylinder with mild hybrid assistance. It makes 255 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque, uses a 9-speed automatic, and reaches 60 in 6.1 seconds. The BMW 530i also uses a 2.0-liter turbo 4-cylinder and produces the same 255 horsepower and 295 pound-feet. It uses an 8-speed automatic and reaches 60 in 5.9 seconds in rear-wheel drive form, or 5.8 seconds with xDrive. So the BMW is slightly quicker with identical output. BMW tunes the 5 Series to respond more aggressively when you ask for acceleration. The transmission is eager to drop a gear, and the throttle feels sharper. Mercedes tunes the E350 more towards smoothness. The mild hybrid system helps fill small gaps in power delivery and makes the whole drivetrain feel polished rather than aggressive. For calm driving, the Mercedes setup feels more expensive. For a livelier base engine, the BMW wins. 6-cylinder performance. The E450 4MATIC uses a 3.0-liter turbo inline-6 with mild hybrid assistance. It produces 375 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque through a 9-speed automatic and standard all-wheel drive. 0 to 60 takes 4.4 seconds. The BMW 540i xDrive also uses a 3.0-liter turbo inline-6. It also makes 375 horsepower, but torque rises to 398 pound-feet. It also hits 60 in 4.4 seconds. On paper, it is almost a draw. In character, it is not. The Mercedes is silkier. Power builds smoothly. The engine stays quiet while cruising, and the electrified assistance helps the drivetrain feel effortless. The BMW feels stronger when pushed. That extra torque gives it more punch in the middle of the rev range, and the 8-speed automatic is more eager during hard acceleration.
So the E450 is the better luxury engine. The 540i is the better driver's engine. Same horsepower, same claimed acceleration, different personality.
Ride comfort and handling. The E-Class has always leaned toward comfort, and that remains its strength.
Its standard suspension uses selective damping, and the car is designed to isolate the cabin from rough roads. The 5 Series feels more controlled. It stays flatter in corners and responds more quickly when you change direction. BMW also targets near 50-50 weight distribution, which helps a large sedan feel balanced. BMW operating system 8.5 on larger supports wheels. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto over broken pavement can add during interaction bar, drives. Sky Lounge panoramic roof, video streaming, if you and enjoy Air Console gaming while parked on a good road, take the BMW. If luxury means arriving relaxed after hours behind the wheel, take the Mercedes.
Inside, Mercedes goes for drama. The E-Class gives you a digital instrument display and large central touchscreen, while the optional Super Screen adds another display for the front passenger. Slim vents, ambient lighting, glossy surfaces, and the widescreen layout give the cabin a high-tech luxury feel.
The BMW takes a cleaner approach. Its curved display combines the gauge and infotainment areas. BMW operating system 8.5 supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and the cabin can add the interaction bar, Sky Lounge panoramic roof, video streaming, and Air Console gaming while parked. Mercedes wins on wow factor. BMW wins on organization.
The Mercedes relies heavily on touch controls. It looks futuristic, but physical controls are still easier to use while driving. BMW is also screen-heavy, yet its interface feels more driver-focused. For a passenger, the E-Class feels more special. For the person driving every day, the BMW is easier to live with.
The BMW's larger body pays off here. BMW lists 18.3 cubic feet of trunk space. Mercedes lists 12.7 cubic feet for the E-Class. That is a major difference if you carry large luggage, camera gear, golf bags, or family cargo. The BMW also has the longer wheelbase. The E-Class is not cramped and has useful 40-20-40 folding rear seats, but the BMW simply gives you more cargo capacity. The downside is that the 5 Series takes up more space outside too. In tight city parking, the shorter Mercedes is easier to place. For practicality, BMW wins clearly.
Fuel economy.
The rear-wheel drive BMW 530i is rated at 29 miles per gallon city and 35 highway. The Mercedes E350 is rated at 25 city and 33 highway. That matters because both make the same horsepower and torque. BMW gets stronger acceleration and better rated economy from its base gasoline model. The 6-cylinder BMW 540i xDrive is rated at 26 city and 32 highway, while the E450 4MATIC is rated at 22 city and 31 highway. Again, BMW has the advantage. The combination of gearing, engine management, mild hybrid assistance, and overall calibration delivers better official fuel economy numbers. If fuel cost and highway range matter, the 5 Series is the smarter choice.
Driver assistance. Both offer strong assistance technology, but BMW has one standout feature. Available Highway Assistant allows hands-free driving at speeds up to 85 miles per hour on compatible controlled access highways, while the driver remains attentive. Mercedes gives the E-Class systems such as Distronic Adaptive Cruise Control, Blind Spot Assist with Exit Warning, Active Brake Assist, and available advanced parking and driver assistance features. Mercedes surrounds you with layers of assistance. BMW has the stronger headline feature for reducing workload on long highway trips. For frequent highway driving, BMW gets the edge.
Now we get to BMW's strongest argument. The 2027 BMW 530i starts at $60,500. The E350 starts at $65,200. That is a $4,700 difference before options. The 530i xDrive starts at $62,800, while the E350 4MATIC starts at $67,700. Then look at the 6-cylinder cars. The BMW 540i xDrive starts at $67,700. The Mercedes E-450 4MATIC starts at $73,700. That is a $6,000 gap, even though both have 375 horsepower and both claim the same 4.4-second run to 60. Mercedes is charging extra for cabin atmosphere, styling, refinement, and its particular luxury character. BMW gives you more performance value, more trunk space, and better fuel economy numbers for less money.
So which one should you buy? If you want the softer, quieter, more elegant luxury sedan, choose the 2027 Mercedes E-Class. The E450 in particular is the more refined six-cylinder choice. Its interior has more visual drama, its character is calmer, and it delivers the traditional luxury sedan experience better. But if you want the stronger all-around value, the 2027 BMW 5 Series wins this comparison. The 530i is quicker and more efficient than the E350, while costing less. The 540i xDrive matches the E450's horsepower and acceleration, adds more torque, offers much more trunk space, and still costs thousands less. The Mercedes is the choice for pure comfort and luxury. The BMW is the one I would recommend to more buyers because it gives you more for the money without giving up speed, technology, or everyday comfort. Subscribe for more straight-to-the-point car comparisons.